Rusty from Mexico quality. From Mexican parts. From that Mexican part. Looks like because they did not turn on triggers. Where
touch it.
Yes, you can touch it. So fine.
There's those gates. We will be on the platform someday. How many one was that?
Derailed, and then it didn't complete the first one. I don't know, I worked 70 to 80 hours. How it happened. I worked for
Staples maintains it well.
They're gonna have to change the tires on the flywheel.
Just barely less than 2 hours. That color is gonna look fantastic.